Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I wish I had the green thumb that my mother does. Unfortunately, I do not, so artificial plants it is. I have many artificial plants in my home, but this artificial banana tree from Erimda is my favorite. Everything came very nicely packaged with easy to read directions, and it was very easy to put together right out of the box. I love the intricate detail that this company put into their tree. From the detail to the leaves, to the brown paper stalk, and even the moss at the bottom of the plant, this is not your average artificial tree. It feels like an art piece in my home. I love the way the sun shines through the leaves, and I love the bright color that it brings to whatever room I put it in. It stands at 7'2", and it's perfect for my high ceilings, and it gives some texture and personality to my open floor plan. I also think that this will look great on my front porch. My family was also impressed by its durability. We live in a house with children and pets, and sometimes things get a little chaotic around here, but we know that this tree is going to be in our family for a long time. So if you're interested in adding some beauty to your home without all the hassle of live plants, then you're going to love this artificial banana tree from Erimda. And that's my point of view.